connecting link, I think. Now we'll throw it in the snow and take some of the softness out of it. This won't have the effect of hardening, but it won't. It'll stop it from being annealed, which would be too soft. You couldn't harden this material even if you tried. But not this way. Not in snow. You got different levels of quenching. Water, well, you can get a super quench, which is a formula of water with some soaps and stuff in it, jet dry, and then there's just plain water. I think saline's the next one up. Then something like snow, it works kind of a little bit harder or softer, and then there's like oil, and then different grades of oil will have different effects. So that's it. We're all done.